Hi there, students. To have the blues. An informal phrase meaning to feel sad. He's got the blues and he's going to stay in bed all day. Okay, so if you're feeling blue, this blue has the idea of down or sad. Okay, so I think when there's not much sunlight about, very often people get the blues. They have this feeling of sadness and depression. Yeah, he's got a case of the blues. Yeah, he's upset, he's sad. Yeah, he's down. Okay, notice the blues themselves, either depression, but notice the blues can also be rhythm and blues. Yeah, a type of music which originated from the deep South United States, from Afro-American roots. Yeah, okay, so the blues, it's a type of music. Very often the blues are when you sing sad things. When my mama left me, and he's already talking about the fact that his girlfriend has left him, so maybe that's why he's got the blues. So what sort of things give you the blues? What sort of things give you low morale? Yeah, I've had the blues ever since my sweetheart left me. Okay, so to have the blues, yeah, this rainy spell is giving me the blues. It's making me feel melancholy. I feel despondent. Yeah, I feel rather down. My spirits are very low. Yeah. Okay, so the blues, yeah, to be depressed, to have the blues, yeah, to feel generally sad and down, yeah. I feel blue, yeah, I feel down, I have low spirits, yeah. So I think maybe some people feel blue over Christmas. They feel a bit depressed and they feel rather down. To have the blues, to get the blues. I wonder why this the origin of this. I can't seem to find it exactly. Why to feel blue is to feel depressed. I would be interested for any comments you might have as to why. Okay, formality, to have the blues. I think this I'm going to give a 3.5 in formality. Yeah, using an informal conversation, a semi-formal conversation, just about, but no more than that. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know what it is, but generally on Sunday afternoons, I have the blues. Well, I think it's probably the idea that used to be the idea that you've got to go back to work, and the idea of going back to work maybe gives people the blues. Yeah, makes them feel the blues. So I hope you'll feel positive and upbeat and good, because you all deserve it. I hope none of you get the blues. Yeah, I hope none of you feel down. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To have the blues, to get the blues. Since my mama left me.